Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Lite on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. So, as you can see, we do have already normal Facebook installed, though the problem with normal Facebook is very simple. While using it, its size may drastically increase, meaning that we'll have less and less space for other stuff. How can we fix it? Well, thanks to Facebook Lite. But first, let's uninstall original Facebook. Though, to be honest, before we do that, you want to go into Facebook and make sure that you know its password. Of course, to your own account, so I can't really show you anything like this, because I do not have an account on Facebook. I can log in just like that. But you want to make sure that you won't lose your account by simply forgetting your password. So, once you have done that, we can now remove our Facebook. And now you can head into Play Store. We can start typing in Facebook. We can go to normal Facebook, and as you can see, we have a similar app available, Facebook Lite 2.7 megabytes. If we go click on it, we'll see just how drastically smaller it is compared to normal Facebook. Of course, if this little section below doesn't appear, all you want to do is simply type in Facebook Lite. And this way, we can now install our nicer and, most importantly, smaller Facebook. And if for some reason you cannot download it via Play Store, we have other tutorial, which you should be able to find very easily by simply typing how to install Facebook Lite without Play Store, that I've just recorded. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.